I'm about to do something that I have not done in years. The last time I did this was probably, let's just say 10 years ago, roughly 10 years ago. I have not done this since that time, and I'm so excited. But before then, we need to shower, we need to just like get ready and then go do it. I'm out of the shower and doing my skincare. Let me tell you guys, I've been loving my skin lately. I don't even know if you guys can tell. The only issue I have in my skin now is the scarring. I don't really have any issues with breakouts anymore. Obviously, you know, once a month, around the time of my period or whatever my body's going through at the moment, I can get one or two breakouts, but nothing alarming. Even my chest, I think I've told you guys before, my chest acne, my body acne, like all gone. It's just remaining the scars. If you can see, you can see, like you can see the scars, but I'm working on it right now. Yeah, so I'm hopeful that it will be all cleared. My lips are so chappy. I just used my toner. I love this toner so much. Fun fact, I've changed toners, like, okay, not like, I've just changed twice in like 2 months, because the first one I started with I didn't really like, so yeah, I changed. And I didn't just change it by myself. In fact, I've seen 2 estheticians in the past 2 months. Gosh, they will catch me in this video. But basically, I just love everything I'm using right now, and it's just working for my skin. This is my vitamin C serum, and my moisturizer is something else that I'm loving. Oh, I love this moisturizer. Each time I apply it on my face, it just makes me so happy. And again, I just changed this particular one, let's just say 3 weeks ago, and I've just been loving everything. I'm not telling you guys the products now because I want to use it for at least 2 months before I can actually open my mouth and say anything. But so far, so good. Can you guys see my skin? Like, I hope you guys can see. You can see the scars, obviously, which is really what I'm just trying to work on. But aside the scars, my skin is doing great. Oops. I will use everything I'm currently using for about 2 months till I can decide if I want to continue or not. I'm done, so let's go. Guys, so I am about to do the thing, which is my hair. Today's brand is Luvme, you guys already know. But today I am not fixing a wig. I am going to be using bundles today. Guys, I have not used bundles in up to 10 years. 10 whole years of not fixing my hair like the good old way. So today's bundles are from Luvme Hair. So this is their Brazilian hair body wave, okay? And I'm excited to fix this hair because when you fix bundles, right, you wake up looking good, okay? You wake up with your hair already done. And you guys know that once your hair and nails are done, you look good even without makeup. So I'm excited to fix this today. I'm going to just show you guys the process and then talk to you guys about it at the end. But who is excited with me? When last did you fix bundles? Let me know in the comments. When last did you actually like fix your hair the good old way? Because for me, it's been up to 10 years. I can't believe this. Anyways, let's get fixing. Can you guys see how full this hair is? And this is just 3 bundles. And it is so long. Can you guys see? It is so long, so soft, and just feels so lush. I'm obsessed. I've not styled the hair at all. I'm not going to style it today. I'll style it tomorrow. Or whenever I style it, I'll show you guys. You guys will see it in this vlog. But I've not styled the hair. I just straightened my hair slightly. And I'm not going to be straightening my hair every day unless I'm going out. So I basically use this spray on my natural hair. I got this from Boots. It's like a heat protect spray, and then I straighten my hair, but I'm not really styling it today, so I'm not doing too much. Even though I love the natural waves, you guys, I have not done a sew-in a long time, and I just look so good. It's so easy. So I'm going to wake up looking good, okay? Wake up looking a 10 over 10 every single day. I know I'm already a 10, so I should say more like wake up looking a 12 over 10, because every other day I'm a 10. But I love it. Guys, so it's the next day, and can you guys see your babe? Can you guys see me? This hair is so gorgeous. At this moment, I actually wish my hair was relaxed, because having to straighten my natural hair every day is a bit sad. But aside that, this hair is so beautiful, and the length, I just love the length. I didn't need to do too much to this hair. It already came with the waves that you guys are seeing. I just tried to add a little more, but to be honest, because it's supposed to look like my natural hair, I don't want it to I don't want to do too much with it. It's so cute. Let me show you guys the back and the length. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm just feeling myself so much, and I feel so beautiful. I look so good. Oh, you guys can check out this hair from Luvme, okay? This is a sewing wig from Luvme. You guys need to go and check it out. I have not done sewing in such a long time. I forgot how good it feels. You know that feeling of waking up looking on point? I just love it. I love that I can just brush the hair and step outside the house without doing too much, even without makeup or anything, and you still look good, okay? This hair is so beautiful, okay? Anyways, I wanted to show you guys this at the start of this vlog, and I'll see you guys at the rest of the vlog. I'm about to actually film a video now, a Q&A. I put up a Q&A on friendship, on Instagram, and on YouTube. So I'm about to film it now. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in that video. It'll probably go up after this vlog you're watching. You just call you. Call you what? Dog. Oh, guys, I just finished filming my Q&A. I love this hair so much. You guys should go and watch that video. Well, as of this point, it should not be up, but it'll be up next. So hit that subscribe button, comment, like. You guys, let me throw a question to you guys in this video, and only the real G's that watched this few seconds will actually know the question, okay? Now, tell me your favorite look on me that I've tried anytime on my channel. Like, let me know you're an OG. Don't go and Google it. Don't go and check it. Just tell me your favorite look on me that I have tried. Like, any wig that I've tried on this channel, okay? I love you guys.